Choosing a qualification and understanding how it's built can be confusing for any new student, but it doesn't need to be. Here we explain the basics that will help you get started. So, first of all, what qualifications do we offer? With over 200 respected qualifications available across a wide range of subjects, you can choose to study for a Certificate of Higher Education, Diploma of Higher Education or Foundation degree, or an honours degree. OU qualifications are made up of a series of modules, each with an allocated number of credits. You'll need a set amount of credits to achieve your chosen qualification. But what are credits? Most providers of higher education in the UK use credits as a recognition of achievement. Credits measure the amount and depth of study required to complete a module, and are rewarded when modules are completed. The number of credits allocated to each module will differ from course to course. Studying on a module-by-module basis allows you to build up credits to gain a qualification. Each module you successfully complete will earn you a certain amount of credits, usually 30 or 60. You'll study multiple modules over the course of your studies until you have built up enough credit to claim your chosen qualification. And how much time do credits take to complete? On average, 1 credit equals 10 hours of study. Therefore, our typical 30 and 60 credit modules will take around 300 or 600 hours to complete. To put this into context, studying for 16 to 18 hours a week would gain you 60 credits in 1 year, while studying for 32 to 36 hours a week would gain you 120 credits a year. Most students study part-time, but the choice is yours. By giving you the flexibility to choose the time frame that works best for you, you decide the amount of hours you'd like to study. Next step: building your qualification in stages. Our undergraduate qualifications are made up of 1, 2, or 3 120 credit stages. You'll complete 1 stage for a Certificate of Higher Education, 2 stages for a Diploma of Higher Education or Foundation degree, and 3 stages to gain an honours degree. You'll also have the option to take a break at any point between modules, giving you the flexibility to pick up where you left off at a later date. Online learning with the Open University is structured so it makes it more manageable to achieve your goals and free your ambition, and we'll support you every step of the way. So, let's get started.